Today we are doing something that we've been wanting to do for a very long time, but because Megan works full-time, we're not able to.
I'm dead inside. We're gonna switch lives with the Lost Renegades. We film ourselves 24/7.
The Lost Renegades are Jen and Charlie, and they are full-time YouTubers. Check out their channel, it's going to be linked down below, and they're going to be having another video of them taking over our lives, so be sure to check that out.
Do you think they're gonna like the 9 to 5 life, babe?
I think they're going to hate it.
Hello!
What's up? I want to be a renegade.
Welcome! Thank you!
Can't wait to be a renegade.
Sit. Good sit. Wow, good height. I have buns of steel after today.
Who needs the gym?
We spend a lot more time making our videos by getting a lot of different shots, which are can be very time consuming. So I think you guys are gonna have a little bit more of an insight to how much filming goes into one story. Definitely. We are ready to be dog parents.
Matt said, I want a puppy if I ever got one in the van.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you want a puppy?
I do. Well, I don't know anymore.
Yeah.
We'll see if Matt still wants a puppy.
We got in the van, we got their schedule, and still we're like, what do we do? Because usually we have a really structured life.
So this is the email that Megan sent.
Oh my god.
For the schedule of their life, their daily life.
Their life is so different from ours, even though we both live in vans. It's crazy. My first task for the day is take the doggies on a walk.
Oh, I'm gonna go outside and put the camera down so that when you open the door, they're gonna run out. Like real YouTubers do.
All right, we're gonna have to take some shots, so you guys gotta be stars, okay? All right, guys, be natural. Be natural. Let's go. We're gonna walk back and then walk forward, okay?
Oh my God, how does she walk them and get these shots?
All right, fuck the camera shots. I'm gonna hand the camera back to Matt while I walk them. Oh, Mako's pooping. Okay.
How'd that go?
I don't want to do that again. You're the one that wants a dog. The next thing that Jen does is study YouTube videos, which I do anyways. So I'll do that while Matt makes me breakfast, because I'm hungry, baby.
Oh yeah.
I'm hungry.
And what are we eating? What do the renegades eat?
Toast.
Alright, let's see what the fridge is all about. Oh, look at all that good stuff. I don't know what to do with half of this food.
I think for my learning period, I'm going to watch 2 of Lost Renegades' videos.
They go up. Come on. Is that what they said? Say that, right?
Yep, Mako
Oh,
up.
you got the belly rubs.
Alright, I'm going to do fancy shots of you setting this up.
You need to tell me what you're doing before you're doing it. That's what they do.
Right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out how these guys set up their work and
I'm sorry, I wasn't clear. You have to tell me before you do it.
Okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to figure out how these guys set up their...
Baby. You're telling me so I can film it.
Okay, so Megan, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to figure out how these guys set up.
I don't think you're understanding. You have
No,
to tell
I'm
me I'm going to put the propane on right now. I'm going to turn the fire on right now.
Okay. This probably would have been easier if I put it on first. Oh, I feel like I should hook this up first. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the bread for toast.
Okay.
The smallest cutting board ever.
So hungry.
Oh my god, Megan, have
so
some freaking patience, will ya?
I'm going to switch up my camera angle. Ready? Go.
I see what you're doing.
Literally, I am so hungry, and all I can do is be angry that this food isn't ready, and we're spending all of this time getting a bunch of shots of this food.
How many times do you think I'm gonna hit my head today?
Hopefully a lot. Babe, you didn't tell me you were cutting the tomato.
Oh shit, my bad. I was really in the zone because I know you were really hungry.
What happens, because Matt and I are so busy, is we film ourselves doing it, so we set it up, we do it. We set it up, we do it. But Jen and Charlie are one unit, so they film each other while they're doing stuff, which is way more efficient. So now I'm out in the van just waiting for the next step to happen. I think I'll watch some more YouTube videos just to see what we can do better.
1 hour in, my neck already hurts.
Oh no, poor guy.
All right, I'm gonna take the toast now and I'm gonna put it on the plate.
Okay. Wait, which plate are you doing?
I'm gonna do the gray plate because it's
Okay.
closer.
So aesthetic. Hold on, we have to stop our filming from 17 to the... Oh shit! You're supposed to be out of the van! I'm on a call! So you can just press the button or you can use the remote.
Wait, press the on button?
Yep.
Oh my god, it opens automatically? Oh my gosh. And you're not rich?
Oh my gosh, Matt, you put the tomato on and I didn't take it!
Oh my god, Megan, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not used to this. I'm used to just making food.
No.
Here, I'm gonna wash this basil and I'm gonna put the basil on.
Who cares about the baby?
Fine, then you don't get any basil on yours.
Thank
Here, there you go. Enjoy.
Yummy. Thank
Here, there you go. Enjoy. All right, part of our responsibility as full-time YouTubers is responding to all of our comments in a timely fashion, so I'm well fed, I'm ready to go. Well, that was easy. We only had one comment to respond to, so please comment on our videos. Time to figure out how this swivel seat works.
You good there, baby?
I'm just looking to see where there's like a lever.
I like the view. If you guys can't hear that, that's Jen responding to her boss. Guys, I just said to Matt, I feel so relaxed. Why is that? I don't feel like I'm in a rush to do anything, even though like we do have to do some YouTube stuff and whatever. I feel calm and not rushed. Ooh.
Who's a renegade now, motherfucker?
Oh shit.
Yep. Good job, baby.
Renegade gang. So we're gonna take Opie on an adventure for somewhere, and while Megan's working on our video, I'm going to be figuring out where we're gonna go.
The renegades came by on their lunch break to tell us we haven't been giving the dogs proper care.
What we're eating should say a lot about how Charlie's been cooking. I feel so stressed in that van. And I'm not even doing real work.
100%. Your work is pretty funny.
Your boy is getting himself an Ash Blaster 5000.
How are you doing with Instagram?
Not well.
I think we're gonna head out pretty soon. How do you feel, Matt?
I've been chilling.
Oh
This
my
is
gosh,
great.
so relaxed. So I got a little bit of YouTube done, but I think I'll be able to get it all done by the end of the day. I do want to hit that roof deck because we don't have one, and what a more relaxing thing to do than hang out on the roof deck, baby.
Oh yeah. Ready, set, go.
Wow, we are on a roof deck.
This is
We haven't
awesome.
been on a roof deck before. I mean, we've been on a roof deck, but
We've been on
like,
this roof deck.
we don't have it. It's not our roof deck. This is our roof deck today. We're realizing that this is the life we want, for sure. Babe, this is deck time. We're like just like relaxing, and they're probably having a hectic time.
All right.
I feel stressed already. And I'm hungry.
Damn it, I'm doing a reel. This is the same thing. This sucks. Fucking shit.
All right, time for an adventure. Let's go.
I want to walk up and sit because I know Jen does that, and I want to be just like Jen. All right, guys, we're headed to St. Petersburg Pier, and we've been trying to go to this place for a month because we've been in Florida for a month and we haven't had the time to do it. So we finally have the time because I'm not working. You ready?
I am.
All right, I am gonna be over here with Opie, but first we gotta get some rolling away shots.
Oh yeah, hear that puppy purr, baby?
Go! Start moving. Sick. it out. Cool shots, right? Well, we had to go back because Matt forgot his Wally.
Where's my Wally?
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
While I pick up our new prince.
Our precious cargo.
Yes. All right.
Opie, how you feel?
I feel great. All right, let's go. Bye.
That's my house.
Hi, Opie.
How you guys doing?
Oh, she's so cuddly.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes.
All right, let's go, little poopers. Whew. All right, nothing like driving somebody else's home.
Fun day, huh? Yeah. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la.
Come on, buddy.
We're at the St. Petersburg Pier and we were hoping to take Opie off leash, but right when we walked in there was a sign that says we can't.
Here, Opie. You're gonna be a little rule breaker today, aren't you?
No, we are not.
Hey, Opie, you're not gonna be a little rule breaker today, are you?
That's just one of those things that we don't think about because we're not dog parents. We don't double check before finding a spot. So we're gonna go somewhere else.
Come on. Come on. All right. Yeah, there you go, little guy.
All right, we just got to the beach that we were gonna take Opie out at, and it looks like there are a bunch of puddles, big puddles on our way in, and we don't want to risk it with not our van. So we're just gonna head back, and even getting out for the day, just for the little walk, was nice. It was more than what we do on a regular day, so we're happy with it. Plus, Opie seems like he had enough of a walk. But it looks like Jen and Charlie got their reel up. Let's see it.
First, we gotta get inside. Whoops, forgot to unlock it. Next, we gotta find the right key. Sometimes it's hard, and I'll drop it.
It's the Mickey Mouse voice for me.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's
He is not walking the dog right now. Oh.
We're gonna do some drone shots, but we already parked, so we're just gonna drive around again to get the same shot because we weren't able to get it on our way in.
Jen and Charlie said that they don't do this every time, but if there's an opportunity to do it, they will. So this is our opportunity and we're doing it. We actually never do this on our YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm ready. Is Opie ready? He doesn't like the Sky Monster. He's barking like
What's
crazy.
the floor mods for the vacuum?
Yeah.
You ready to drive? And then we'll make this all happen real fast.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
I think we got it. Did we get it, Matt?
Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah. Did we get it, Opie?
Gotta land this dang thing.
What? Up what? Okay. Okay.
Jeez.
I don't understand what you're saying when you say up.
Who's okay?
Opie, you're with your brother again. Okay, the next YouTube thing that we have to do is do a thumbnail for one of our vlogs. Let's go do that now. Maybe we have you in the forefront and me like hopping into our van.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea.
Okay.
Cool. So I think we got our thumbnail.
Yep. That was easy.
Great success.
Wow.
We
lost one.
Hi, you guys. I think I found your dog.
It's just easier if I just take these shots myself instead of telling Matt when I'm gonna do stuff, because that's just how we work now and we're too hungry to figure this thing out that Charlie and Jen have, although it is probably way more efficient.
Meghan, what are you doing?
The biggest takeaway here is YouTube is a lot of work, and we do it, and we do it very often, and we're very committed to it, but we're so frantic about it because we can't take the time to do all of these shots that they do on a daily basis.
We spend all of our time working between Instagram, YouTube, and Megan's job. Like, it's really hard to balance all three and still do a ton of other stuff that I think we kind of struggle with the balance of work and play.
I just talked to Jen and she was like, I feel so unfulfilled, and I'm like, that's pretty much how I feel all the time. Usually Matt's helping me at least cook, and Charlie usually just gets fed.
I'm jealous of Charlie.
I know that Jen loves to explain what she made, so I made some pasta with mushrooms, basil, tomato, and truff pasta sauce. I did try it a little bit and I think it's really good.
Megan really outdid herself. These are some kind of noodles with a bunch of vegetables. Opie's been drinking a lot of water, so maybe his little doggy bladder is a little full. He's gonna go pee. So we're gonna go and take a little walk.
Alright, oh.
Ready, buddy?
I think I'll edit because there's all these dishes that Matt has to do when he gets back.
Come on.
And I would love nothing more than to work on our YouTube.
Charlie, man, I know you're like a little bit shorter than me, but I don't know how you do it. Your neck must hurt all the time.
Part of Jen and Charlie's instructions today was to look at the analytics on our YouTube account. And that's not really new. I look at our analytics all the time.
Would you like to try something new with our analytics?
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe we use like the back door of the van for our analytics, for maybe our thumbnails.
Oh, look at all my doggies!
This is the cuddles they've been begging for all day. I'm Miko.
And I'm Charlie. And
No, that's Opie.
Opie. I'm sorry, I'm Opie. And Mako's not really sure what's going on here. And I'm Megan. Wah.
Okay, so the analytics told me, thank you, Mako, that 204 of our subscribers have all notifications on our channel.
That's huge.
Is that big or is that small? I think that's pretty good. I think that's higher than we've ever had. It's kind of been nice having dedicated time to work on YouTube and to edit, but we have to go back into the van. Not that we don't want to stay with you guys, but Matt cannot handle this height anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
They are the sweetest.
Yeah, we love Jen and Charlie.
Yeah, but we're not getting it.
We also have to do this on Tuesday.
Yes.